You know, you might think that interior design is all about how your house looks, but in reality, it's all about how it makes you feel. Meet Leora.
Hi. So basically, when I come to this room, I'm just so not happy. It's long and narrow, feels like a hallway, and everything that I want to put, there's something that's blocking it.
Every time she sees this room, it makes her upset, it makes her sad. She doesn't feel happy when she walks into her own house. I know what I need to do to fix it, I know what her style is, and we're gonna make her love the room, so every time she walks into her house, she feels happy, and it snowballs from there. Let's go design it.
The wall? I'm so excited! It looks incredible. I'm going crazy. I can't. I'm like in shock. I'm in shock.
I really hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look into my process. To schedule a consultation, just click the link below.